Alright, what is up, guys? We're out here. We're filming a banger today, alright? You already know what it is. We got JSR Cat back in the vids right here. He's been chilling. Everyone's asking how he's been doing. He's chilling. You know the vibes. You already know how he be. You guys haven't seen this yet. Check out this view from the backyard, alright? Backyard's still dirt. Forget about that. But we got some nice mountains and stuff, so pretty sick, yeah. This is a different JSR house than what you guys are used to. We did move back in January, so. Car's filthy today. Let's see. You think we're gonna get first try? It's pretty cold last night, so I don't know if we'll get first try here. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, we did it. It was pretty cold last night. It was like in the 40s, so car started right up though. Got a half tank, we're chilling. So the car stays filthy for two reasons. One, we got this construction right here, and you can tell from all this dust and dirt on the road. Not sure if you can tell through the tint. Yeah, that contributes kind of nicely to the layer of dirt on my car. And also behind this house, there is a dirt road that apparently everyone just loves to drive, and it sends all this dirt flying onto the street, which is why there's dirt on the street once again, and then on my car. So it's kind of hard to maintain a clean car, but I'll be posting a video soon on how I maintain my wrap on this car, because this car is a wrap if you haven't noticed. And yeah, it's really not that bad, but for those of you out there with wrapped cars that may want to know, I'll be posting that video shortly. All right, guys, so we're heading to an empty parking lot up here. Hopefully it's empty. We're gonna need a lot of space for this one, folks. Not gonna lie. It's a good day today. The weather's nice. I believe it's right here, so. All right, thankfully the gates are open right here. Only the in gate is though, so. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go to a nice, empty spot of the parking lot, even though it's literally all empty. Right here. There is one car down there, but that's fine. We will not hit it. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You nervous?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Wish me luck with this one.
Oh my gosh. You're not helping.
All right, guys. So this is my girlfriend Autumn, and today I'm gonna teach you how to drive stick. I'll explain your prior history of driving stick shift.
Well, first of all, I thought my foot was on the clutch right there, and it wasn't.
Great start.
I drove a car one time.
You drove a car one time.
That was stick. That's about it.
What kind of car was it?
White. It was like a 99 Mustang.
A 99 Mustang.
My dad tried to teach me.
Was it V6 or V8?
Yeah.
Okay, and you said the clutch was messed up, right?
Yeah.
So the clutch is pretty shot on that. So this is perfectly fine. So this is gonna be probably a lot easier. So basically, whenever you're doing something with this, clutch in, all right? We're not gonna grind any gears today. I don't wanna have to put a gear grind counter in the bottom left corner of the screen. Yeah, you know the basics, you know, clutch in and then
and brake, and then
the brake's always going to be the brake no matter what. So
yeah.
if we are speeding towards say that car over there, the brake will work like a brake. But yeah, I'm pretty confident in your abilities, okay? So you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
A little bit, okay?
Mm-hmm. Can you do it? Okay, anyway. Do I need to put my foot on the clutch right now?
You're foot on the clutch right now. Or are you about to do something with that?
I don't know, am I?
Yes, you are. So yes, foot in all the way on the clutch.
Okay.
All right,
yes.
and you're going to keep it there when you put in the first gear. You know where first gear is, right? You know where all the gears are, right?
That's first, right?
First gear, yeah, up and to the left, all the way. You know where second gear is? Yep, perfect. And we probably won't make it out of second gear. I'm gonna keep it real.
Okay.
Not in this parking lot.
Okay.
And you know to just lightly let off the clutch until you start to feel the car roll, and then you just continue lightly, and then once the car is fully moving on its own, then you just let off. It's like driving an automatic, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll worry about it. Shift, okay. I didn't know you were trying to go that whole time. All right, that's fine.
Now what do I do?
Clutch
Go on
in.
the brake. Clutch in?
Clutch in. All right, and then you're just gonna turn the car on. Go on the brake. And you can let your foot off the clutch because we're in neutral. All right.
Okay. That.
All right. All right, so stall number one, that's fine.
Okay.
Yep. Your foot
Wait,
was...
I don't understand. Am I supposed to take my foot off the brake and the clutch at the same time?
No, you can take your foot off the brake before you even start doing anything with the clutch. We're on flat ground. Oh, you let it out too fast.
What?
That's all right. All right.
Neutral. Is this neutral?
Neutral, you always know you're in neutral when you can go side to side like that. Okay. Put it in the first, lightly, you can take your foot off the brake completely and then lightly let out the clutch. Just slow, just slow. There we go, there we go. Okay, okay. And now we're driving. We do be kind of moving though. Oh, whoa, whoa, take it easy there.
When do I know when to go in the second?
Clutch in, and then drop in the second, and then clutch out. All right, and okay. Yeah, fuck it, you can do a loop, bro. Do a loop.
What?
You're good. Go all the way around. Just get a feel for it. Okay. Nice and light on the gas. You're good. You're doing good.
You want to see some real speed? What's that noise?
That's the seatbelt. Because I don't have my seatbelt on. I probably should if you're driving, to be honest.
Oh.
Give it a little bit of gas right here. Alright. Nice. Alright. You're good. You're good. We will be turning up here though, so
Thank you.
just drive it like a normal car right now, and then we'll practice another start. Stop, foot all the way in on the clutch, and then brake, and then put this in neutral. Foot off clutch. Boom.
I mean,
You did it.
not too bad.
Yeah.
I only stalled twice.
Another start, and then shift in a second. Do the same lap.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. A little bit quick off it. You can give it just a little bit of gas when you're letting the clutch out. Just a little bit, like barely. See, that saved it. That saved it from stalling.
When do I go into second?
When you get up to about 3,000, change it into second gear.
It's 3,000.
You're at 3,000. You can go in second, giving it some backfires. Okay. All right, there's a little bit of a rough shift in the second because you let the revs drop a little bit, but that's all right.
Hey, that's
You're
on me.
learning. You're learning. You're doing good.
That's on me.
You're doing great. Okay. Getting pretty confident, eh? You're doing great. You're doing great. You're doing better than I thought you would.
Okay, wait. So then
Clutch in when you brake.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
When
on
you're
me.
slowing down. All right. Okay. Wow, that wasn't even close. That's all right. Foot on the clutch. All right. Oh, that was aggressive. All right. Right again.
I don't get it.
So there's like a grab point in the clutch.
Yeah,
And you'll
then
feel
that's when I
that.
let go.
That's when the car starts moving. Like,
Yeah, and that's when I let go completely.
you're still supposed to, you're like
Oh.
feather it out a little bit. And then when you'll know when it's like fully under its own power, then you can let fully off the clutch.
Okay.
All right. You can give it just barely any gas. Yeah, that was close. You can get the RPMs up to like 1,500, 1,800-ish or so. You know how to read that, right?
No.
Okay.
I was looking over here, but that's your speedometer.
Yeah, this is also digital speed. No need for that analog stuff, you know? All right, slowly let out. Give it just a little bit of gas right now. Okay, that's a lot of gas. All right, well.
No. List of things
It's all right, you got to get a feel for it. You're
a
chilling.
list of things that shouldn't have happened.
Your foot is still in the clutch. The second it's in second gear, you can let off.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can let
It's
off the
only
clutch.
when
It's not, first gear is the only one where you have to be meticulous about it.
Oh.
I mean, later on you'll learn how to be meticulous in between shifting in the higher gears,
Yeah.
but that's only to get like the smoothness down. You'll be smooth enough for just learning. You are just sending it. There you go, there you go. You did the backfires, okay. It's addicting, right?
Yeah. Except I don't really know how to do it.
Well,
So.
it's alright, you did it there. Alright. You're doing great. A little wide on the turn. Why do you turn so wide? Alright. Now I'm not going to tell you what to do on any of this run, okay?
Okay.
This run's going to be all you, start
Okay.
to finish, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Solid. That was aggressive.
That's on me. No.
Jump for that planner.
Okay. Oh, really? I was gonna hit it.
Oh, you were looking over here and I wasn't sure. And come to a stop. All right, and one last thing, all right? Put it in neutral. Take your foot off the clutch. We're gonna figure out how to go in reverse, okay?
Down. Is it straight down?
No? All right, be careful. Is your foot on the clutch?
No.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. That's all right. If you just went straight down, you'd be in 4th gear. It has the gears right there. You see that?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you ever get lost, you can always just look down at that and it'll tell you where. But to go in reverse, as you can see, the R is right there. That's actually their logo too, so it's a little confusing. Okay, but this car is right here. So basically what you're gonna do is, this lady wants to talk to us. I'll get out and talk to her. So angry for no reason, guys. I don't get it. All right, so our training session got cut a little bit short because some lady wanted to be mean and grouchy. That's all right.
It's fine. Overall, could have done better, but
Yeah,
also could have done worse.
That's for next time. Maybe we'll get a part 2 when we'll make some progress off camera, and then we'll get a part 2 going. All right? We'll do
I
that.
mean, I didn't grind any gears.
This is true. You did very good on that. So.
I did stall a lot, but
Overall, I didn't think it went that bad, guys. So let us know down in the comments how you thought it went. We got JSR Cat still lurking. But anyways, yeah, pretty good experience except for that lady at the end. She was kind of mean, not gonna lie. Nothing new to JSR cars, but yeah, so I don't know, go off I guess. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna be uploading a lot here in December. Not sure if it's gonna be every single day. I'm gonna try to do every single day, but we'll see. I don't know, you know the vibes. But gonna try to upload a lot here in December. 2 days in a row, 2 days strong. Let's get it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one.